What to do if sexual function declines, sexual desire, and sexual ability decline? Pay attention if you have the following symptoms: sexual function declining, asthenia, gets tired easily, unclear mind, distracting thoughts, headache, eye strain, declining vision, stuffy nose, dizziness, hypotension, tinnitus, global sensation, upset stomach, stiff neck and shoulders, problem sleeping, cold hands and feet, sticky palms, constipation, palpitations and breathless, numbness in hands and feet, motion sickness, restless, anxiety. How to prevent when sexual desire is reduced? What nutritional supplements is helpful in enhancing sexual performance? So, are there any natural and effective health supplements to improve our health? Yes, there is. Vitroman X-Power capsules. It is a health supplement produced in Singapore. X-Power is a combination of several natural herbs that benefit men's physical health. It is a health supplement designed for men only. Let's take a look at this plant and how it can help men's sexual health. Southeast Asia has achieved obvious results in the study of aphrodisiac herbs. The Malaysia's national treasure, Tongkat Ali, and Thailand's famous Butea superba are all good examples. Butea superba is used as herbal medicine for patients with impotence or premature ejaculation. It has remarkable results in Thailand and other countries. The extracts of Butea superba works very well in restoring the erectile ability of impotence patients, preventing premature ejaculation and prolonging erection time. The Tongkat Ali from Malaysia is highly sought in Southeast Asia for its amazing functions and has long been used as a nourishing tonic for longevity. Tongkat Ali helps improve men's strength and vitality, enhances muscles, relieve fitness fatigue, balance androgen, and maintain a healthy immune system. The epimedium can warm the kidneys and support the yang, replenishing and restoring strength, enhancing and strengthen the kidney power. It also helps adjust body functions, restore energy, and stimulate mental vitality, all for a healthier body. Vitroman X-Power is specially produced according to men's physical needs. It helps to enhance men's sexual performance through replenishing energy and strengthening endurance power. X-Power is 100% natural herbal formula, suitable for men who usually have social activities, staying up late, working overtime, and getting tired easily. It is a power supplement that can be fully and quickly absorbed by body. Taking X-Power capsules daily helps to enhance and nourish your sexual function, boost energy, relieve physical fatigue, balance blood sugar, blood lipids, and blood pressure. It will be helpful for sub-health person. In addition, maintaining good sexual health to prevent premature ejaculation, restore energy, and improve overall physical performance. It is an ideal supplement for men. Vitroman X-Power is simple to use, not harmful, and dehydrating to the body. Vitroman X-Power is available in Singapore Pharmacy and TCM stores. Retail price is Singapore dollars $60 only. Inquiry at 6562-5526. 6562-5526.